Hey everyone, it's Jordan Yates here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here with me today and you're gonna watch me learn to solder. Now, I haven't even plugged my new soldering pen in yet. That's how little experience I have. So I've done the online reading, I've watched the videos, but now is the time to see if I can actually figure out how to do it. I wanted to wait to record until I knew what I was doing, but I thought, wouldn't it be more fun if you got to be a beginner with me? So stay tuned, take it easy on me in the comments. I'm going to do the best I can. All right, let's get into it. There you have it, folks, my very first soldering experiment. All right, here we go. Here are the results. I'm not gonna say they're perfect, but I did have some little welds or solders, whatever you call it, that looks like a really nice round shape, and it's kind of sparkly. And you know what? I'm happy with the results. Now, as for doing surface mount components and actually soldering things, not just, tacking for tacking's sake, who knows what'll happen, but I assume you guys will stay along with me for the journey to find out. So see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.